Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video I'll be discussing about in detail about what is all about test closure report in UAT and how we can write the closure report also, which I'm going to talk in this video. First we will try to understand what is all about test closure report for user acceptance testing. Normally it is an official document or test deliverables. Normally this document that's going to summarize various things post we completing the user acceptance testing. Here we are going to define what is the overall process we followed, and as well as what is the outcome we got out of overall UAT, and what are its impacts on overall delivery or a project success. We will be documenting as part of this closure report. And also we are also going to document it as a formal document, because this is a document we are going to provide a sign off from the user acceptance testing team. And also we are going to provide our feedback, our results, our lesson learned for future corrections. Everything we are going to document as a one document, which is called as a user acceptance testing closure report. Now we will see what are the various parameters or content will be there as part of test closure report of user acceptance testing. In the first place, we will have a introduction section. Here we are taking an example, like we are going to write a test closure report for online store website. Here we are going to define the overall introduction of this online store website and why we wanted to do UAT as part of this introduction, that we are going to define here. And also we are going to define when we started this user acceptance testing, from when to when, and what are the things we are plan to validate to meet the business requirement. Also we are going to document as part of the introduction section. And next section we will have summary of UAT results. Basically we are going to put a summary. What are the things we carried out, what was our results, what is our observation, everything will be calling out as part of the results. Here first thing we are going to talk about here is what are the various testing we have planned. After executing all those test cases, whether UAT was successful or unsuccessful, or is there any major issues are there, any defects are there, everything we will have to call that out. Normally closure report we will be giving to stakeholders only when there is a success is happening. If there is no success, definitely nobody will ask for a closure report, and we may ask the stakeholders to revisit their development aspects. Then only once it is successful, we will be writing the test closure report for UAT, and we wanted to call that out everything as part of this UAT results. And also if there is still issues are there, we have to document that as well. Certain area, if things are not really working, or some of the observation we wanted to make it to the stakeholders, then we have to document that as well. Like with a given example here, there is a payment gateway integration issue is there. We have to call that out. Even search functionality we found the crucial or critical issues. And next aspect we have to write here is recommendations. What are the recommendations we wanted to make part of this closure report based on the results or whatever the UAT testing we have done. Here we are just take an example of usability or performance topics. If you have any other recommendation you wanted to make to the development team or stakeholders, we can call that out here as a recommendation. And also final section would be your conclusion section, where you are going to conclude that overall online store website project was successful and we were able to meet the business requirement by following various things or test results, and we wanted to recommend our lesson learned. These are the aspects, and we wanted to sign up from this. This is the conclusion we can make as part of this UAT closure.